Hello and welcome to AzureWala YouTube channel. We are in Azure Solutions Architect Expert series. Today we are going to discuss question number 23. You deploy several Azure SQL Database instances. You plan to configure the diagnostics settings on the databases as shown in the following exhibit. Diagnostic settings. First setting is SQLInsights. We are going to keep it for 90 days. And automatic tunings, we are going to retain it for 30 days. We are sending the data to log analytics in this subscription in this workspace. Also, we are going to archive the data later on to storage account, and we are going to use this subscription and this storage account. Question is, use the drop down menus to select the answer choice that completes each statement based on the information presented in the graphic. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. So first statement is the amount of time that SQLInsights data will be stored in Blob Storage. First choice 30 days, 90 days, 730 days or indefinite. Since we are storing in the storage account, there is no retention limit for the archive storage. Therefore, this is indefinite. The second question is the maximum amount of time that SQLInsights data can be stored in Azure Log Analytics is 30 days, 90 days, 730 days and indefinite. To find out the answer of this question, we will have to go to Microsoft documentation. So let's go there. We are on learn.microsoft.com at manage data retention in log analytics workspace. So we'll go to data platform, logs, log analytics workspace. Under that, manage tables, and we can manage data retention for each table. Analytics, long-term and total retention. So by default, all the tables in log analytics workspace retain data for 30 days, except for log tables with 90 days default retention. Tables with the analytics plan make your data available for real-time queries during this analytics retention period. All table plans can retrieve the stored data through queries or search jobs, and the data is available for visualizations, alerts and other features and services based on the table plan. You can extend the analytics retention period of tables with the analytics plan up to 2 years. This is the maximum limit. Configure the default analytics retention period of analytics tables. The default retention period of analytics tables in the log analytics workspace is 30 days. You can change the default analytics period of analytics table up to 2 years by modifying the workspace level data retention setting. So in the Azure portal in your workspace, analytics workspace, you can scroll it and make it maximum. And also we can configure table level retention as well. That can be extended up to 730 days, but it will have additional cost. Let's go back to question. Question says maximum amount of time that SQLInsights data, and that is a table basically, can be stored on Azure Log Analytics. So we know that it is 2 years, which is equal to 730 days. Therefore, 730 days is the correct answer.
I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.